Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and finally, a brand new Nexus power station, right? Power Plus, a product that many of us are going to be able to use with all of our Ego 56-volt batteries. Now, this has got tons of upgrades, but let me tell you, in this video, this is going to simply be an unboxing and a close look. All right. I will have more videos coming out comparing the previous model. I'll have another one on testing. I'm just going to break these up so that they're easier to digest. But we're going to go ahead and unbox this, take a close look, see what's included. Let's go ahead and check this out. All right, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. All right, guys. Wow, look at this. And check that out. I mean, you can stand this vertically or horizontally, which is really cool. So that's another way you can use this power station, which is pretty darn cool. Obviously, you get yourself a nice, beefy, AC cord. You get your manuals for your batteries and your power station, and a reminder to register your tool. And then this is the kit. So it comes with two 6-amp-hour batteries. Is that nice or what? Well, I think we need to jump in and take a close look. There it goes. So let's jump in. I think the one thing that really changed with this power station is you can set it up horizontally or vertically, which is pretty cool. So you can have it, this way, or you can actually take it, and you can see here, by the way, that these are made to be on the ground, this whole thing here. So you could take this, put it on the ground. You still get good ventilation on the bottom. You have access to your ports here. Your batteries can slide on, and you have access to ports here that I will be showing you. Now it's a perfect time to look at the top of the unit, just to take a quick look. So on the bottom, you've got a door covering AC outlets, right? So I'll zoom in real quick. And that is a magnetic door, by the way. So you could see here there's a magnet. So when you close it, it stays closed. It's got a little section here where you can put your finger to open it up. That's nice. Here you've got your USB Type-C, your USB Type-A, again, magnetic. So that's nice. We go up to the top of the unit. Let me zoom in a little bit for you. You'll see here that we've got the AC, so we could turn the AC outlets on. USB-C is on by default, which is good. Power button for the unit. Your LED light, which is up here, power, and then your Bluetooth, so you can connect to the Ego Connect app. And then here's your LCD screen, excuse me. I'll put some batteries on so you can at least see this turn on. But let's continue taking a close look. Why not? Let's put the batteries on and show you the screen. Let's see how stable this thing is too. I'm on a table. So let me take one battery, and I'm going to put them both on the top. That's one. 2, locked in really nice. Now I believe I just have to hold the power button. There it goes. It's green. Look at that color screen, huh? Let's zoom in. All right, and see what we got. Okay. So it's showing one battery on 1, one battery on 3, nothing on 2, nothing on 4. 31%. We've got 2 green bars. Now it's saying, based off the batteries and the charge status, we could supply 700 watts. Interesting, right? We turn the AC outlets on. The icon going to show up in the screen there. That's USB. All right. Turn that off. And let's try the light. 1, 2. All right, so you get 2 settings. You get a low and you get a high. And I got to tell you, it's a big difference. That's a big difference. Now again, guys, don't forget, we are going to be doing a comparison against the original model, and I am going to be doing testing with this. There's going to be 2 more videos coming out. All right, and I will put links in this video description when they come out. But let's continue our look at the power station. Really nice so far with the front. All right, guys, real quick message for you. I am in the middle of making the comparison video between the OG power station and the new model. All right, you're watching the unboxing. I hope you're enjoying it. When the comparison video is done, I'm going to put a link in the video description, and you'll be able to go there and watch this video. All right, I'm not done yet, but when I'm done, I'll also put the word comparison in the upper right-hand corner. So give me some time, but I hope you check out our comparison video as well. Enjoy the unboxing. Let's go ahead and look at this side for now. We've got battery bay number 1, battery bay number 2, you got power plus. These are some holes, I believe, for cooling the battery while it's charging. And, you know, I love that they have these connectors covered. You know, this is really something they started to do with a lot of the tools. So I like that. And of course, this is the release that allows that battery to pop right up. So really strong. Ego logo. Now, the other thing I want to point out is you've got rubber on these handles. So that's nice on both sides. And again, I love that you can put this vertically or horizontally. Really, really love this. Let's look at the other side now. Now we're looking at the other side, and it's pretty much the same thing, right? You've got battery bay number 3, 4. You've got a QR code down here when you're scanning it in order to connect it to the app. That's one way. Your serial number, and you also have your production date of when this was actually made, along with some other information. So let's turn this around and look at the other side. Now what's cool about this side is you actually have a compartment. Open it up and you get a little surprise. You get an Ego USB Type-C cable. But this one, just so you'll know, actually 100 watts. Now, I don't know the size, so what I'll do is I'll put that up on the screen real quick, right over here. You know, once I get that, I'll put that on the screen for you. But this is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. That is great that they included that. So I wanted to take a close look at the bottom of the power station. Now, why do I say that? Because you can place this horizontally or vertically. And as you could see here, I mean, this is definitely like a non-slip material that you would put on the ground. So that's really nice. Now, you know, this here is kind of a hard plastic. Ego logo. And then ventilation, by the way, it's down here. So whether you have it sitting this way or you have it sitting up, you know, you're still going to get your good ventilation. So just wanted to show you it from a different angle. This is the other side. So again, that same material, right? Ego logo, ventilation, 56 volt lithium ion, and then here is where you plug in your AC cord. So you do get a nice rubber flap that slides right in. I like that. And then solar, yep, solar built in. That is nice. And these just kind of push in. So I like that. That's the bottom, guys. So you've got rubber here, same thing down here, your Bluetooth symbol and some information. I was also looking at it and I can actually see a fan right there. So there's the fan. So obviously this is probably where the air gets taken in and passes through the unit. All right, guys, real quick, a couple of things. I've got 2 videos coming out. I'm going to have a testing video coming out. I'll have a comparison of this new model to the current model coming out. If you're thinking about buying or you're thinking about upgrading, that's going to be good information, and the links will be in the video description of this video. I'll put them in there as I make those videos. Also, I hope you're subscribed. Keep an eye on the channel. Don't forget, we went out and paid for this with our own funds. We're not sponsored. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks so much, guys. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round TechMadeezy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.